The idea is being strong and independent as a man is normal. That is why we don't over-advertise strong and independent men. Alright? Actually, mas na-advertise pa nga yung mga playful men. Like, pag lalaki ka, tapos mahilig ka sa toys, parang, astig. O pag lalaki ka, tapos mahilig ka mongolekta ng sapatos, mahilig ka mongolekta ng Gundam, mahilig ka mongolekta ng anime. It's like, it's different. Diba? Kasi, mas maaga tayong kailangang mag-mature in terms of handling everything. Kasi tayo yung lalaki. We have to be independent as early as we can. Because we have to provide for our family. Yun yung standard eh. Kasi ganun talaga eh. Biologically, ganun tayo eh. On the other hand, in the female side of the quadrant, bihira kasi yung independent. Because dependent talaga normally, lalo na dati, dependent talaga ang women sa ibibigay ng lalaki sa kanya. Pero in reality, dependent din naman yung men sa ibibigay ng babae. Hindi lang nila pinapakinggan.